Greetings. You'll stop making mistakes if you listen to me carefully today. This is Max Bot Channel. I am a trader with a huge multifaceted experience in this business. I have implemented an AI-based assistant in my strategies. This bot monitors the market and provides me with detailed reports on key indicators and advises me how best to act at a particular moment. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. To not miss new useful content, click on the button subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment, we need your feedback. I entered a trade on the Euro-Canadian dollar currency pair. 5 minutes. Historical data shows me a stubborn struggle, but I think buyers will be able to push off the support zone and create a new local momentum. They are starting to build volume, while sellers on the contrary are reducing volume. The bot told me, active buying. It showed me 8 bullish indicators. Folks, now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience, it is not financial advice, I show how I do it. Every trade starts with discipline. If your account is $500, risk no more than $5 to $10 per trade, 1 to 2% max. With $1,000, your range becomes $10 to $20. This rule isn't negotiable, it's the foundation of lasting success. Over-risking isn't bravery, it's recklessness. Think of it like calibrating a precision instrument. A laser without controls becomes a weapon, not a tool. Losing is inevitable. Candles won't always turn green. But losers quit. Winners learn. Look at J.K. Rowling, rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Or Chris Pratt, evicted from his apartment, serving drinks for pennies, and then casting in Guardians of the Galaxy. They didn't quit. They refined their story. Every red bar is feedback. Every loss is data. Stick around long enough to turn that feedback into fuel. You don't have to go it alone. My AI-powered assistant scans charts, reads indicators, points out patterns, and helps prevent emotional traps. Right now, it's free for 1 month. If you want more consistent setups and real-time guidance, check the link below. This isn't hype, it's a structured edge. I know people who started trading part-time, treated it like a serious side gig, respected the rules, and now trade full-time. No luck, no hacks. Just discipline, structure, small consistent risk, and a refined process. They didn't escape their jobs, they evolved their lives. Trading carries risk, but so does launching a startup or signing a mortgage. By managing risk deliberately, you shift from reckless gambler to calculated entrepreneur. That mindset difference matters. Here's how scaling works. With $100 and $1 trades, an 80-cent win feels flat, but it's playable. Scale to $1,000 and trade $10. That same edge turns into $8 per win. Same rules, bigger impact. Smart scaling unlocks real income potential. So, the time is moving towards nightfall, which means I can start over-the-counter trading. Yes, the robot can analyze not only the base currency pairs, but also OTC variants. Now I decided to work with the euro and the Hungarian forint. 5 minutes. Neural network says that the bears now have the opportunity to take the situation in their powerful clutches. I think the overbought momentum now will play an important role in this new bearish momentum. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only, I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results, your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. By the way, guys, I have a group on Telegram where our team shares thoughts that help you understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. Link below the video. Quantum Analysis, New Frontier. While traditional indicators respond to price and volume, quantum models account for entangled variables, interest rates, macroeconomics, cross-asset flows. They use probability distributions, not single lines. It's like upgrading from a fishing rod to sonar. An FX quantum engine can signal surface movement before broader trends materialize. It's not speculative, it's probabilistic, and it surfaces hidden market opportunities. It's the next level of edge in an increasingly competitive field. Your entries and exits must be intentional. After every session, ask yourself, did I follow my setup? Did RSI or MACD signal align? Was I influenced by fear or FOMO? Did I honor support and resistance levels? Did I journal the results and notes? If you're not reviewing, you're repeating. If you're journaling, you're improving. Now it's your turn. In the comments, what quantum indicator are you intrigued by? How do you manage drawdowns? What setup helped you last week? Your input builds a smarter community. We're not just trading, we're evolving. If this video hit home, hit like. Subscribe for no fluff, tactical content, zero hype, pure value. Trading isn't magic, it's about process. You're different. You showed up. You're studying. That matters. Every great performer, whether athlete, artist, scientist, started with doubt. They faced rejection, setbacks, and ridicule. And then they leaned in, day after day, honing skills until they stood apart. You're on that same path. Stay disciplined. Keep risk small. Use smart tools. Risk control, quantum edge approach, and consistent analysis. That's the roadmap. Trade your plan. Review your results. Use the assistant. Engage in the comments. That's how you move from surviving to thriving. Markets don't wait, but they reward those who show up, again and again. Let's build real results, not chase illusions. Back to your platform. Plan, trade, review, repeat. I'll see you in the comments. Let's grow together. I have completed the work. Here's the result. Bye.